Good day. Remember, each morning brings a new beginning, a fresh start filled with possibilities. Start your day with a positive thought. What are you grateful for? Gratitude shifts your focus to abundance. Take a moment to breathe deeply. With each breath, fill yourself with positivity and hope. Set a positive intention for your day. It could be a small act of kindness or a step towards a larger goal. Look for the good in every situation. A positive mindset leads to positive outcomes. You have the power to make today amazing. Embrace it with positivity and watch the magic unfold. Ciao for now. We'll see you next time.